Want to create a YouTube Shorts channel that can go viral without ever showing your face? Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to start a Faceless Facts Shorts channel from scratch. This is a powerful way to tap into the growing demand for quick, fascinating facts, and we're doing it all without being on camera. Why a Faceless Facts channel? Fact channels are incredibly popular because people love learning interesting trivia in short, snappy videos. And the best part? You can create these videos without ever having to step in front of the camera. In this video, I'll break down the steps for building a Faceless Facts Shorts channel, covering everything from choosing your facts to editing and promoting your videos for maximum reach. Step 1. Choosing your niche. First, let's choose a niche. Facts channels cover everything from history and science to fun trivia, but narrowing it down will help you build a loyal audience. Pick a theme that you're passionate about or one that consistently performs well, like science facts, psychology hacks, or amazing animal facts. We'll use ChatGPT to generate a list of engaging niches that could work well for a facts channel. Type into ChatGPT. Suggest popular YouTube niches for a facts-based channel. ChatGPT response. Here are some popular niches: strange historical facts, space and science facts, rare animal facts, psychology hacks, and amazing world records. These niches are perfect for grabbing attention and sparking curiosity, which is exactly what you want in a shorts channel. Step 2. Finding fascinating facts. Next, we need a solid list of interesting facts that are accurate and engaging. ChatGPT can be a fantastic resource for generating facts in any niche. Let's try it. Type into ChatGPT. Give me 10 interesting animal facts for a YouTube video. ChatGPT response. Sure. Here are some cool animal facts. Octopuses have 3 hearts. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. Honey never spoils. It can last for thousands of years. Elephants hug each other by wrapping their trunks together. These are exactly the kind of quick, fascinating facts that work perfectly for shorts. They're bite-sized and leave the viewer wanting to know more. Step 3. Writing scripts and finding visuals. Now, it's time to script out each fact video and gather visuals. Keep each script short and focused. 15 to 30 seconds is the sweet spot for shorts. Let's ask ChatGPT to help write a concise script for one of our facts. Type into ChatGPT. Write a short script for a YouTube short about octopuses having 3 hearts. ChatGPT response. Did you know that octopuses have not 1, not 2, but 3 hearts? 2 pump blood to their gills, and 1 pumps it to the rest of their body. Isn't nature incredible? This script is perfect for a quick video. For visuals, you can use royalty-free images or short video clips from sites like Unsplash, Pexels, or even animated text on a solid background. Step 4. Editing for impact. Editing is where you can make your facts stand out. Use apps like CapCut, InShot, or even iMovie to add text, effects, and music to keep your viewers engaged. Remember to add bold text for each fact to keep it easily readable, and try to add subtle sound effects to make it more engaging. For example, with a fact about octopuses, add an image of an octopus, use zoom effects, and highlight words like 3 hearts to capture attention. Shorts need to be visually dynamic to hold people's interest. Step 5. Posting and optimizing. Finally, let's get your shorts ready to post. Write a short, eye-catching title and use relevant keywords. Something like, "Did you know octopuses have 3 hearts?" Amazing facts works well. Also, use high-ranking hashtags like #DogShorts, "Did you know?" or hashtags related to your niche. And don't forget to upload consistently. A steady flow of shorts will keep viewers coming back for more. Recap and final tips, that's it. You now know how to create a Faceless Facts Shorts channel. From choosing a niche and gathering facts to scripting, editing, and optimizing for maximum reach. With ChatGPT and a few creative tools, you can start building a channel that captures curiosity and keeps people watching. Ready to start your own facts channel? Comment below with the niche you're choosing, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content creation tips.